Running into that annoying engine error in Apex Legends? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it fast. First, close Apex and open Steam or EA app. Right-click Apex Legends, go to Properties, then Verify Game Files or Verify Integrity of Game Files. This replaces any corrupted files. Step 2. Update your graphics drivers. NVIDIA or AMD. Engine errors often pop up when your drivers are outdated. Step 3. Now check your DirectX and Visual C++ redistributables. Reinstall the latest version from Microsoft's site. Missing runtime files trigger engine crashes. Also disable any third-party overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience. Overlays can conflict with Apex engines. If it still crashes, run Apex as an administrator. And that's it. Verify game files, update drivers, reinstall runtimes, disable overlays, and tweak launch options. Your Apex Legends error engine should be gone in minutes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.